What if a humanoid robot didn't just follow a script, but actually listened to the music and improvised its entire routine in real time? Sapienza University of Rome introduced a semantic audio-driven control framework that does exactly that. Most expressive humanoid behaviors still rely on pre-scripted sequences. This system bridges perception and action by routing continuous audio streams to autonomously select motion policies from a library of imitation-learned skills. The architecture segments audio into 5-second chunks. A hierarchical router classifies each chunk using an audio spectrogram transformer over the 527 class audio set ontology, combined with Silero VAD for voice activity detection. This splits the stream into music, speech, or skip branches. For music, the pipeline uses the Wang constellation-map algorithm for audio fingerprinting. It hashes spectrogram peaks to match reference tracks, retrieving track identity and temporal offset. This enables temporal grounding, mapping specific song sections to distinct motions. If fingerprinting confidence is low, the system falls back to CLAP embeddings for semantic similarity matching. The speech branch transcribes audio using a low-latency model, like GPT-4 ONNX. Transcripts are semantically matched to the skill library for direct command grounding. Unmatched speech can trigger a conversational LLM response with TTS, enabling natural human-robot interaction. Execution uses a unified switching layer. Selected skill IDs are dispatched via a TCP interface to the low-level control pipeline. To ensure stability, the system primes transitions through a stand policy before activating the target motion. The underlying policies are ONNX exports from the BeyondMimic reinforcement learning framework, deployed on platforms like the Unitree G1. The system showed robust sim-to-real transfer. It achieved 84.8% chunk-level retrieval accuracy across 574 test chunks. In mashup scenarios, 30-second transitions proved more stable than 20-second ones. The analysis reveals that retrieval quality isn't the bottleneck. The limitation is transition latency caused by the stability priming phase. This framework moves humanoid performance beyond fixed choreography toward context-aware, autonomous responsiveness. Future work aims to implement style change detection to reduce latency from fixed chunking. Check the description for the full paper and supplementary materials.